I always believed I could do so much better with my career, so much more. After I got my first job, I realized that the world is very competitive. But I believe with the right guidance and approach, nothing is impossible. So I took the first step. I did my bachelor's in ECE from Ramya Institute of Technology and got placed as an Associate Analyst in Crypt India. But like most of my fellow engineers, I lacked guidance, and only after stepping into corporate, I realized my interests actually lie somewhere else. Back in my college days, I always liked working on Python and I wanted to do something which involved the same. So I started digging and researching. That's when I came across this growing field of data science and I decided to pursue a career in it. But I had no idea how to make the switch. Lucky for me, a friend of mine suggested Newton School and I went over to their website and connected with the team. I soon understood that Newton School was not just providing students with relevant skills, but also career counselors and personal instructors. It also included weekly one-on-one sessions, instant dot solving, and peer-to-peer interaction. This really stood out for me. That's when I made up my mind to join Newton School. At Newton School, I enhanced my Python skills with other industry-relevant skills such as SQL and ML. My instructors, especially Mr. Akashdeep, made sure that it was an enriching experience and not just some regular class like we had in our colleges. Although I had gained a lot of knowledge and skills, I was unsure if I was ready to face the companies. But the daily quizzes and assignments really boosted my confidence, and with so many contests, learning became more hands-on and fun. The best part was when I saw myself on top of these leaderboards after these contests. Overall, my journey with Newton School has been full of learning experiences, and I believe this is a stepping stone to my dream of becoming a top data scientist.